So today we need to discuss about Python installation process and as well as how to install libraries in Python environment. So after that we need to how to install the Jupyter notebook and how we need to open the Jupyter notebook and all these information we need to discuss. So here I am installing Python 3.6.2 of 64-bit supported software. So I need to do double click on the Python setup file. Then here we need to do add Python 3.62 path. So it means we need to add the path automatically into the setup environment. Yeah. So here add path 3.6 to the path. So here what add Python path related to add to in the environment variable. It means we need to add the path in the operating system to the setup how to run it. So finally we need to go for install now. Here we need to install the address C users Srini app data local programs Python 3.6. It is a folder, it will be created internally, and what are the libraries you want to go for install, those libraries will be located in this location. So please check in your system where it is exactly the address of that Python installed. Okay, select it and it will, we want to install or not. Yes, we need to install, so the click on S. So it will take several minutes. We need to going to installing the Python. Yeah, finally we finished our installation setup. Setup was successfully. So then we need to close. So installed Python in our environment. So first we need to go command prompt. So how we need to check whether Python is installed in our system or not. So open command prompt, type Python is a command. If you given a Python command, automatically it will go to the Python ideal procedure. So this is a command line for Python. So 3 greater than symbols we have. This is area we can call it as a Python environment. So we installed 3.6.2 and this is released in the July 8 2017. So it's having some nature. Okay, like that we need to check it. So after that what we need to do, we need to install some libraries. So how we need to install? First of all we need to install pip install pandas. So this is a command we need to give it. So whenever you need to give it this type of commands installing your packages, libraries, must and should you need to have an internet connection, good internet connection we required. Then click on enter. So collecting the pandas, it means it's connected with an internet server and it will do the collecting of the information. So how much MB we have? 8.7 MB we have. So your internet connection is very speed, it will be download very speedily. Yeah, so this is a way it will be collecting the entire library information. So which version of pandas is installed? Pandas 1.1.5. So by default it will loading the numpy also. Whenever you install pandas, by defaultly numpy is also get it, and py tz also you can get it. Okay, like that we have some of Python default packages we are getting to install. Installing collected packages py tz numpy 6 and Python date util and pandas. So these are the libraries and packages installed into your environment. So it will take several minutes to install completely. Yeah, finally we can get it successfully installed Python, numpy, pandas, as well as all these things. Then after that we need to install. Already numpy is installed. You need to check it, pip install numpy. So you can get it already installed. Yes, exactly. Then we need to go for pip install the next element we want to go for seaborn. Pip install seaborn. So it is also collecting the seaborn libraries. So whenever you install a seaborn, automatically matplotlib also you can get it. Matplotlib also we can get it, and cpy also we can get it. So pandas also we have already done, and numpy also we have already done. Like that, internally it having some of dependencies, one library to another library. So it's installed pillow, all this, installing the packages, these many packages installed internally whenever you installed seaborn. So directly I can go with an seaborn without installing numpy and pandas. Yes, you can. So at that time you can get it as an pandas also you can get it whenever you install this, as well as numpy you can get also by defaultly, and matplotlib also we can get it defaultly. So one more element is there, that is sklearn. So after installing the skl, we finished almost all the things done. So pip install sklearn. So one of the library it is. So it's having internally ci kit, joblib, all these elements we have instead of an sklearn. So finally we installed successfully all these libraries. Yes, done. Thank you.